I go to cover. Okay, so first of all, I want to share something. One day, one girl, what is very is feeling very nervous. Okay, and he is going to depression level. Why? Now she is not able to click a examination. Okay, so he is trying for the medical examination. After lot of attempt, she is not getting any kind of success. Okay, and bar exam dala, then failure. So she is going to the depression level, and she is trying to what? Her activity is just like she is attempting to a suicide. So father is judging, okay, his girl, and he's just asking the daughter, you please come to the kitchen. I want to show something. Okay, by some irritation, irritate है कि से girl गला kitchen room को, and the father is trying to cooking something. In one bowl, he kept the potato and try boiling it. तो बॉयल केमती करियो आउटा को केमती बॉयल करा हो सिझा जीव केमती का थ्रू वाटर पानी रे सिझेवा then in one container is taking a egg अंडा टा केमती सिझेवा वाटर पोटैटो भी वाटर रे सिझा जीव एग टा भी वाटर रे सिझा जीव in one bowl. Okay, see, he is trying to boiling the coffee beans. Coffee beans means coffee. Coffee टाको से पकेले जेंदा हम नाली चा करू छे से coffee टाको पकेले. तो the times pass समय चला, and by this irritation the girl is asking, what you are doing? I become bored. Now just wait and see. Then after some time, then father is giving the potatoes, father is giving the egg, then father is showing this mix up of coffee beans. Okay. Then the father is asking, see and tell me what are the differences are there. The girl is saying that the potato becomes soft, egg becomes a little bit hard, and in the case of water and tea and water with coffee bean, it changes the color of the water. पानी रे चा पत्ती पकेले फुटेले कौन हबो नाली कर दो, कॉफी टा भी पकेले सिने नाली कर दो. Okay. Then father is asking, what you learn from it? See that when you have some kind of difficult situation, like potato, before boiled potato, the potato is very hard. Means after boiling or after the situation, you are not cope up with the circumstances, and you become soft. माने से परिवेश सहित से खा खुआई पारलानी से कौन ही गला सॉफ्ट ही गला माने पानी को आउ से प्रोटेक्ट करी पारलानी तो से निजो को निजे परिवर्तन ही गला. So in the situation that you are not cope up with and you become soft, so you are not having that capacity to handle the situations. Then the father is giving an example. See the egg, chopa chhodele egg ro kholo chhodele, okay, and asking, see what is happened with the egg. Now before boiling the egg is what? हमें अंडा टा भांगी देले कौन होतला पूरा सॉफ्ट थिला भांगी जीवो तळे पड़ी जीवो, but after boiling it becomes hard. Okay, so when you face that situation, you change yourself and you become hard yourself to face that situation. In the third one, is very interesting. Okay, you go with the situation and you change that situation. Okay, so that is the quality of a person. So you have for a living in the world, you having a three way. Either परिवेश सहित खाप खाई मरी जाओ, either take a hard हो, और परिवेश को ही change कर दिया. So you are cope up with it. Okay, so when you are starting, okay, when you are starting your journey, okay, lot of people are laughing at you. कौन calls? Okay, so when Thomas Edison is trying to discover the electric bulb, everybody is laughing at him. पागलटा कौन करूँ ये चीज़ रात रे ऐसी कौन बड़ो चीज़ मोहब्बतें लगाओ चीज़ काचा पचा करूँ. Okay, and these are the persons. Okay, those are what like Einstein. Okay, in school he is called as donkey, Godha. He sat in the last bench, last side. Okay, he's not knowing about the mathematics, but who know later he's become a mathematician and we learn his theory in the physics chemistry class. Okay, so we learn his theory in mathematics, in the physics. से गधर कथा ही आम पढ़ुचे बुक रे ताको पढ़ी के एग्जाम दौचे क्लिक करुचे आ तार एग्जाम जदि तुम ठीक ठाक न करुच फेल हो तुम जेई ये सब पास ही पारिबनी आ 10th भी पास ही पारिबो because the mad person is able to change the world. Okay, normal person is just like they're living and they just died, but we remember that mad person. से पागल लोगों को हम एपर्यंत मन रखुचे and they are in the history and they are the what changes the entire world. Okay, similar way, like it is the way of what a new initiative to change yourself. Okay, so now you have to think how you became. Okay, you become a potato, you become a egg, or you become a coffee beans. Tell me, what do you do? What do you like to be? Potato. Huh? A lot of situation has come in the life. You are in the early stage. Okay, बहुत situation आसे life रे. So से बाध्य करे. So you have to go and die. तो पर आप किसी option नहीं. तुम मरिबा दरकार. Okay. Huh? तो लाइफ रे आसे से सिचुएशन तो ए सिचुएशन में मरिबा दरकार तो तुम मरले ही हाँ तो एमती सिचुएशन आसीबो because that is a ultimate situation that you go and die, then you are meeting to the Indra. Okay, Indra को पाखरे रहियो मले. Okay, तो की जानछि इंद्र अछि हम टीवी रे देखिछे से राजा राजा केरे पहुंचे. So we are not knowing that whether real Indra is present or not. Okay, we just having a belief that Indra is there and some kind of goddess is there, but in reality, have you seen the Indra? Okay, reality is your life and it is very beautiful, and in always you try to what cope up with the situation, handle the situation and change that situation. The situation तम जगह रे जन जाउची, change the system. Okay, so there is a proverb is there. Okay, so अगर आपको सिस्टम अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो सिस्टम के साथ जीना सीखो. अगर आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ओके, अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हो तो टोटल सिस्टम के ही बदल रहा है. ओके, सो नाउ हु कम्स टू हियर? हम बाकी थे ना, आजा.
Good afternoon, friends. Respected sir, I am Vishwaranjan Shetty. I am from Nayabazar, Kotak. I had completed my HSC exam from Saraswati Shishu Vidyamandi, Rajannagar, Kotak. Now I am pursuing uh, plus two first year commerce in Rebencha University. My father is a government servant. My mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing football, cricket, and I want to be a chartered accountant.
Why?
Commerce ରେ ତ ଆଉ କିଛି ବାଗ ନାହିଁ। ଚାର୍ଟାର୍ଡ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ପୁରା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗି ଯଦି ନହେଲା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଙ୍ଗ ପାଇଁ ଲାଗି।
Why you want to become a chartered accountant? What is the unique thing is there?
ଇନେ ବିଷୟ ଜାଣିନି ସାର୍।
Huh?
ଜାଣିନି।
You don't know about chartered accountant?
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟରରେ ଯାହା ପଢ଼ିକି ଯାହା ବୁଝିବି ତାପରେ ନହେଲା ତ କ୍ୟାନସଲ୍ କରିଦେବି।
First you know that. Means when you want to become anything, first you know that what is that chartered accountant and what is that real banking sector.
ସେମିତି କହିଲେ ମୁଁ 4-5ଟା ଏମ୍ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି ଛୋଟବେଳୁ। ମୁଁ 5 କରିଦେଇଥିଲି କ୍ରିକେଟର ହେଇଗଲି। ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ କ୍ରିକେଟ ପାଇଁ ଘରେ ତ ରାଜି ହେଲେନି, ଛାଡ଼ିଲେନି, ଆଉ ତାପରେ ଯାଇପାରିଲିନି। ପୁଣି ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ମନେ ହେଲା, ପୁଣି ଆଇଏସ୍ ପାଇଁ ଭାବିଲି। ଦେଖିଲା ମୋ ମେମୋରି କାମ କଲାନି ଆଉ। ଆଇଏସ୍ ଜିକେ ଫିକେ ଦରକାର, ସେଗୁଡ଼ା କିଛି ମନେ ରହିଲାନି। ତାପରେ ଏମିତି ହେଇକି ଲାଷ୍ଟ କମର୍ସ କଲି, ଯେହେତୁ ଚାର୍ଟାର୍ଡ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟିଂ ପାଇଁ ଭାବିଲି। ତାପରେ ଯାହା ହବ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍।
Okay. So EM is a different part. Okay. In your home, your father and mother wants to be something. When you born, then there is a two job is there in the world. That is what? Doctor, engineer. In our time also. बेटा आ गया इंजीनियर बनेगा या डॉक्टर बनेगा. Okay. So in our part also it's just like same. When I am in the schooling, okay, my father and mother is thinking for that I will become a doctor. Okay, so everybody is asking, what do you become? I am doctor. I want to be a 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 doctor. It is going on up to class 3. Okay, so in the class 3, there is a essay competition is there. Okay, so in the essay competition, when I appear in that competition, it is my first competition, and in that first competition, I don't know. In that competition, I become first. Okay, because it is asking that what is aim of your life. Okay, by knowingly or unknowingly, I have written I want to become a army officer. I explain it in that way. So in the state level, I become a first. So after that, I'm getting an award. Okay, then in my home, they are asking what you have written in the essay. I have written what I want to be army officer. Price is separate. How you write this thing? Why you are not writing the doctor? Okay. So this thing is going on. So again, I just doing that. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. So up to +2, same thing I murmuring. Okay. So you can say it is like a bhajan of Delhi. I want to be a doctor. Okay. But when it is +2, I thought that the biology is not happening in my life also. Because I'm very poor in drawing. Okay. So when in 10th and the 9th class, there is a compulsory science is there. So I just find out those are the questions. Those question is not having any kind of drawing. I attempt that question. Drawing question where the diagram is there, you are getting much more mark. But I find out that where the diagram is not present, I attempt that. Okay, because I'm not able to draw the diagram. So when it is over, so up to class 6th, 7th drawing is there, 8th class drawing is over. Okay, so I just drawing is over. Okay, because in the 4th class I supposed to get from the 50 mark, I am getting a 2 marks in the drawing. Okay, but I am not able to understand. Okay, so how the teacher is giving a 2 mark only in the 50 out of 50. Okay, and there is another mark is, then I thought that if drawing is there, then it's just going on. Okay, I will fail. Okay, so there is another question has come that you have to do some handwork. Handwork means like you have to do some kind of what hand drawing or handmade something. Okay, so in that part what happened, I purchased the what jhadu and give it. Nice, so I got the mark from there. Huh? Not hard, but getting passed. Okay, so see that by unknowingly and knowingly I have written that I want to become an army officer. Then in plus 2 suddenly my life has changed. So I think that I have to apply for a what NDA. Then in fast chance I got it. Okay, so in the class 3 I have think for that I want to be that army officer, and second option also I have it. So I want to be army officer, but I want to teach the people. Okay, so I become army officer. So I placed in a Dehradun army school, and I have opportunity to teach the student. Okay, so now it is become my passion, my all the thing is become profession. Okay, so and become a cricketer is there in everybody life. I am also having that life. I want to become Tendulkar, but it is not supposed to be happen in Odisha also. Okay, so ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଖେଳତେ opening କରିଥିଲି. Okay, in school life I have chance to in a school cricket academy. Okay, so I chance to play in the Baravadi Stadium. I score 84 runs. Okay, so when I score 84 runs means I thought that I am a good batsman. I go for this line. Okay, so after back the home, okay, then ଯେତେ ମାଡ଼ ବସିଲା ତା ପଠ କହିଲି ମୁଁ ନା ବ୍ୟାଟ୍ କେବେ ଧରିବିନି. Okay, then next Shakti, आजा जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी.
Good afternoon, friends.
There is no corona.
Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Shakti Prasad Barik, and I study at SSBM Manadiviyar Katak. And my hobby is playing cricket. And I am become a YouTuber. So, next, my father is a businessman. My mother is a housemaker. So, I will give some chance. So, thank you, sir. I become a IPS officer. Thank you, sir.
Next. आजा. ଯେତେ କହିବ ସେତେ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ. रेकॉर्डिंग हो.
Hey, कौन
देखिए
सर डिस्टर्ब कर दिस.
बाबू रेकॉर्डिंग हो यूट्यूब पे. Let's start. Go.
Hi everyone, I am Vishwanath Pati.
सब भूल गए.
तो ना को घर को एड्रेस को. Hi, I am Vishwanath Pati.
Hi, I am Vishwanath Pati. Uh, I am from Madhupatna, Cuttack. I am pursuing my plus two science at Netaji Memorial College. I want to be a doctor.
What is your father and mother?
My father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife.
Daily asking କହିବେ ତୁମ ନାଁ କ'ଣ ଖାଲି ତୁମେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛ ହଁ ଓକେ ଆଉ ସବୁ ଦେଇ ଆୟୁଷ ହଁ
Hi all, I am Aishri Datta. I have completed my 10th from St. Xavier High School and I'm 16 years old. I just love to drawing. Anything I just love to draw. Whenever I got some free time, I just draw something. But nowadays I'm giving a lots of time to drawing because I really want to improve my skills. And I know it's going to help me in my future also. And from my childhood only, I'm so fascinating about the fashion industries and clothes and all that. So when I grew up, I understood that yes, I'm really interested in this field, and I decided to become a fashion designer. And now I'm studying +2 in JKVK College, and with that also I'm doing PGDCA course from Bajwar Software, and with that also I'm preparing for NIFT entrance, and I know that. And my goal is not to just crack NIFT or to become a fashion designer, but also to keep my identity and to make my identity or name in the fashion industry and to become a top fashion designer in the world. Thank you. And today is a special day for me because exactly 16 years ago from this day, a small little princess came to this world, first saw this world and got afraid and started crying. And after 16 years old, after 16 years, now she is standing up in front of you all and introducing herself. And it's, of course, it's me. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
good good good